How to reset Roblox pin on PC. So of course, to reset your pin here in your Roblox, you must first disable this one. So parent pin is enabled, you have to toggle this one off to disable this. But of course, in case you have forgotten your pin, then it's kind of hard for you to reset your Roblox pin. So what you're going to do here first to locate your Roblox and disable that one is to go to your settings and go to parental controls and toggle this one off. Now, as you can see, if I enter a wrong pin, I cannot turn this one off or I cannot reset my pin. So as you can see, incorrect pin because it's incorrect and I forgot it. So what you're going to do to reset this one is to go back to your settings or this gear icon and tap this help and safety. Now you have to click this help center. It will take you directly to another page. Now what you're going to do here is to tap this magnifying glass or the search bar and then type forgot pin and then tap enter. And then you will see here some options, but you have to click the very first one here, which is I forgot the pin. And here you have to simply look for contact form. You can read this one, or you can go directly to this blue one right here, which is the contact form. Here you have to enter your username, which is optional. First name optional, but you have to enter your email address and confirm email address. Now for issue details, you have to select the device that you're having problem on. Type of category, account hack in or can't log in. So subcategory or subtopic, we have here account PIN. Now you can proceed to description of issue. Here you can ask help from them. You can give them some information on where they can contact you. You can also tell them or you can ask a help from your parent and tell them that they have to input some descriptive issue right here that they can say that they were the one who created the pin and they were asking for help to change the pin because they forgot it. Okay, so all you have to do is to click submit and then they will send an instruction or they will reply in a few days or hours. And then all you have to do is to follow the instruction. If they ask more documents or proof, then you have to send it to them. And then after that, they will reset your pin here in Roblox. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.